Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be trying out a new mascara technique. So if you like huge, big, fat, dramatic lashes and you want to hear a new little trick, a new technique that I have been trying out, then this video is for you. Keep watching. So I saw this technique on Chris Scortezz's TikTok. If you don't know Chris, he's an Australian professional makeup artist. I've been following him for a while on TikTok, and he does a lot of mascara reviews. Recently he's been doing a series on his TikTok of like mascara comparisons, trying to find like his holy grail, the best of the best mascaras. And every single time I'm like, this man's eyelashes are another level completely that I can only dream of. Okay, if you think my eyelashes are good, wait until you see this man's eyelashes, okay? They're incredible. Every time he does one of these mascara videos, I'm just like, I don't know, I want to know what you're doing, because his lashes always look insanely good, okay? And finally, a couple of days ago, he actually shared what he does, how he applies his mascara and his backcombing technique, and my mind was blown, because I feel like at this point we've seen and heard all the techniques. Surely we know everything there is to know. We've seen every makeup hack, cheat, technique that there is, but for me, I'm 100% still learning. And even with lashes, where I fully thought I had this down, like I fully thought, yes, I can do lashes, the one area of makeup where I feel like I've perfected it, and then I saw his lashes and this technique, and this was brand new information. I've never heard of this before, I've never tried this before. It looks incredible. Obviously his lashes are the best advert for this technique, so you'd better believe I was going to try it. So I have tried this one time and I was impressed. Today I'm going to try it the second time with you guys and share his technique, and we'll see whether it works, whether it's better than what I do currently, and what the results are. Let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do this eye with using Scott's technique, and then I'll do the other eye as I like typically would do my mascara, to see what the difference is, if there is any difference, and whether it's worth giving this one a go for me. First up, I'm going to show you with my mascara component, like the technique that I'm going to be doing. So Scott describes this as backcombing your lashes. So backcombing like you would do for your hair, for your lashes. The idea is it's going to give you more drama, more volume, more length. It's just going to be bigger, more, better, in my opinion. And what he does is he pushes the mascara wand into the lashes, the underside of the lashes. So we're not coming from the top down, we're going as you would, you know, start when you typically apply mascara, you're just, you know, you would usually sweep up. We're going on that same side of the lashes, but instead of just sweeping up, we're going to be pushing the mascara wand into the lashes, and then we're going to be twisting it away from the face, away from the eye, and we're going to be doing that motion. Push and twist. Push and twist away from the eye. So that's what I'm going to be doing with the wand. I will say, just before I get started applying this definitely seems like a messy technique. Like whenever I see Scott do his mascara, he always gets mascara on his lid. There's some transfer, and that's been the case for me as well when I've tried this, but doesn't matter. We're going to leave it there. If it gets messy, I'm going to use a Q-tip to remove that anyway, so don't worry about that. Also, I know my brows look crazy today. I literally had them laminated and tinted yesterday, so they're very extreme today, but I cannot touch them for 24 hours, so we'll just have to pretend we're not scared of them. So I'm putting the wand right at the roots, and I'm pushing, and then I'm twisting, and they do start to look really bonkers. This is literally how they look now, is exactly how you want them to look. That means you've done it correctly. I'm applying a small amount of pressure, pushing the wand into the lashes, and then I'm twisting the wand away, and they look horrendous. And so now you comb through as you normally would apply your mascara. So definitely some transfer. It's definitely a bit of a messier like technique. But what I've found is that it gives me like a phenomenal first coat very, very quickly, like way quicker than it would take me doing a first coat, which I'll do in a minute when I've done a couple of coats on this side to show you. It takes me usually a lot longer to get like this dramatic a lash. Okay, so that is one coat with Scott's Technique. Let's do a coat on this side as I normally would. So exactly the same mascara, and I normally rub the wand and then start blinking onto it. That's typically how I do my mascara, and then I do from the top down. And that is how I would usually go about my mascara application. Definitely less messy, but I also feel like a lot less drama on this side. So I've just cleaned up this side with a Q-tip now that it's had a second to dry, and it came off super easy. Now I will say this side certainly looks like more voluminous, more dramatic than my typical way that I do my mascara. So Scott's Technique's definitely given me a bit more volume, a bit more drama. Now I'm going to go in with the second coat on this side using Scott's Technique and see how it builds. Again, pushing and rolling away from the face, away from the eye. Again, it's taken on the absolutely bonkers, super clumpy, squished look. And then we're going to brush up to correct that. Again, it was super messy, like I definitely got a lot of transfer on my lid because you are like pushing the wand like into your eyelid, so you are going to get transfer there. So it's going to be whether or not you mind that and you mind cleaning up afterwards, and probably what eye look you did is how happy you are to potentially mess it up. So again, let's go on this side, my usual mascara technique, and do the second coat. Okay, and now we have two coats with Scott's Technique and two coats with my regular mascara application. Again, it's way more dramatic, way more voluminous on this side. This side is more separated and kind of fanned out, not quite as big fat lashes. And I do think, again, it was quicker to kind of get the mascara on and get the coat done on this side. I don't know, what do you guys think? Which do you prefer? I'm definitely not loving like the mess that I'm making on this side. I feel like I need to practice the technique more to get less messy with it and less transfer, which will help me enjoy it more, because at the moment it's just making a big mess and it's ruining my eyeshadow. So a lot of that is going to be practice and technique and me just getting used to trying to apply my mascara differently. But I don't know, it's quicker, it's giving me more volume, but I do like the sort of separated look on this side as well. So what do you guys think? I'm definitely going to keep trying it. I like where this is going. I just need to get better at it, is what I'm saying. Okay, so I just quickly did my bottom lashes so you can see the finished, completed mascara look. The other thing I wonder is if, when I do this off camera, it will be easier, because at the moment I'm trying to stay in shot, I'm trying to stay so that you guys can see me. So I wonder if it will be less messy when I just do it on my own without trying to film the application, as to whether that will make a difference. So I'm going to keep trying. And also my other thought is, I wonder if there's certain mascaras that are better for this than others, because obviously the MAC Stack, it's quite a spiky, firm, rubbery bristle brush. I wonder if the sort of more traditional brushes that aren't quite as spiky might work better for this. So I'm going to try this out with maybe my Bite Beauty mascara as well, and see whether that one is less messy and whether I have a different result. I'm going to keep playing. Okay, so there you have it. Please let me know which eye you thought looked better. Do you think it was better with Chris's technique, or do you think my regular mascara application worked better? I definitely want to keep trying this. I feel like it's very messy when I do it. It seems like it's going to be messy whoever's doing it, to be honest, because of the pressure that you're applying and then the twisting. It's going to be really hard not to get any transfer on your lid. So I think it's always going to be messy, but I do feel like with a bit of practice and working on my technique that I can make less mess than I did today. That being said, I 100% noticed more drama, more volume using Chris's technique, much quicker than I did using my own standard, like it's not like I invented regular mascara application, just what I regularly do. So I definitely noticed that, but I definitely noticed that the way I typically apply my mascara was much less messy and gave me more of a separated, fanned out look. So I guess it really depends what look you're going for, what effect you want, what eye makeup you've done that day, and therefore how risky it is that you will be able to clean it up or not ruining it using the Mercier technique. So yeah, please let me know which side you think looked better. Do you think you're going to give this technique a try? I'm definitely going to keep trying it. I'm going to try it with some different mascaras. So far, I tried it with the Charlotte Tilbury the first time, which is tricky, or you'd think it would be trickier because the shape of that wand is so different, the flat side, but it definitely works with that one, and I was mega impressed, and it was less messy with that one than it was with the MAC Stack. I also want to try it with the Bite Beauty mascara that I have and just see whether certain mascaras suit this technique or do better with this technique or not. But yeah, I'm going to keep playing around. Please also let me know if you know this technique, if you've been doing it for years, or if this is also brand new information to you. Are you going to give it a try? What did you think? Please let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I'd love to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye 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 bye.